Hi ladies, and welcome back. In today's video, it's just going to be about nail prep and how I prep my nails for my dip application. These have been on about 2 weeks. I have no lifting or anything like that, and I just want to go over a few things that I see people having issues with, like in the nail groups. Thin nails. Their nails weren't thin before they started dipping, now they're thin. What's going to cause thin nails is a few things. One, you should never be filing on your natural nail. The only area that you should be filing before you dip is around the cuticle area to remove that dead skin and things like that. I'm going to show you how I use a cuticle bit. So never buff your natural nail. Number two, it's the way you remove. Your removal method is going to play a lot on, if you're popping them off, they're going to take layers of nail with them. If you're having to scrape off the dip, it's going to take layers of nail with it. So remove carefully. I do have a video on how I do it. This is my natural nails, and they grow really long. I actually cut them down and they're not thin, and I've never been able to have long nails my whole life. You need to have a good dehydrator or prep. This is Mia's Secret Nail Prep. It's a really good one. Or you can use alcohol, 100% acetone, or a 50-50 mix of the two. Anyway, I hope this video helps you, and I just want to say in the next few weeks I'm going to be trying out this polygel kit. I've never worked with polygel, so if anyone of you want to see if it's an epic nail or an epic fail, stay tuned for that video. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet, but hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching. And I want to just real fast go over the different bits that if you do decide to get an e-file that are good. Of course, a sanding band is good. You can use it to rough up your tips before you put them on. You can lightly go around the cuticle area with it, and you can sand out the nail, and it's good for removal. And then this is the cuticle bit. This is my favorite bit. This is what I'm going to show you in the video how I use. And when I'm prepping the nail, I just go around it, and you can buff the actual skin on the cuticle, and you can get rid of that invisible cuticle with it. This flamed bit, it's also a diamond bit. It's good for going around the sidewalls, and you can get up under that cuticle and lift it if you need to, and buff and remove that skin. Now these diamond bits are my holy grail also. This one has something on it. I take the bigger one first. You see the sizes? There's two small, and one big one. After I've dipped and I'm getting ready, I've already put my activator on. This is the bit that I will go around the nail with. Boom. And it seals that cuticle. Now these have been on well over a week. We're going close to 2 weeks. All right, so after I've went over and I've sealed all the cuticle area with this one, I like to go in with the small one and just touch up any other areas. You can also use these bits to contour the actual nail. So if you have any bumps, lumps, you want to make this thinner, you want to build an apex, they're good for that also. And then on the sanding band, it comes in different grits. It comes in 180, I think 120 and 80. Okay, I use the 180. I tried to find some 220s, but I had originally got some, but they're hard to find. Anyway, so that's the bits. I will leave a link to them down below. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I just wanted to help out with some nail prep. Just the basic set of bits that usually come with most e-files are all you need. You don't need any carbide bits or anything like that. I thought I needed them, but you don't need them. But I hope this video helps. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave them down below. And thank you for watching this video.